Hey, what's up with it, y'all? It's the flyest fragrance aficionado here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the coolest fragrance community on YouTube. Remember, Christopher Lee Fragrances cannot happen without you guys. So if you know something, you better hit that button. What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss. I got another list for y'all today. I hope that y'all doing really good. If y'all could, before I get into this video, go ahead and drop a like. You know what I'm saying? Smack that little like button. Hopefully I'm not asking for too much. But look, I got 7 fragrances right here. Mouth watering fragrances, okay? This is beyond panty droppers, man. Look, man, when they say panty droppers, when they say date night, we all mean the same thing. This mouth watering list, same concept. Sensual fragrances, okay? This is what I've been wearing lately to give off the sensual vibe as well. Let me just get into these fragrances, y'all. First fragrance I want to talk about is this right here. This is a Lattafa fragrance called Honor and Glory. Okay, I had picked this up like 2 months ago. When it first came out, it was shaking the game up. People really love that vanilla scent. Some people said that it actually leaned more feminine. I didn't get that vibe. I just thought it smelled real good. My lady even wear it as well. So this is more like a unisex fragrance. And she also liked when I put it on. So because she said I smelled good the first 3 times I put it on, it's one of them fragrances where if I want to mix it up and I want to lay with her and I just want her to get reminded of something that she liked, I'm throwing this scent on. That kind of makes sense. Okay, so like this is really great. Okay, real vanilla-y. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's like a cupcake. Vanilla, yeah, cupcake in the bottle. It's great. Now, my girl been saying I've been smelling good with this brand new Jada Titanium. Okay, wore it for the first little 3 days I had it, so I understand because I've been getting compliments when I've been going to work. She be giving me compliments. When I go outside, I'm getting, oh, you smell good. This fragrance is already like brand new, and it's doing really good, y'all. Like, Jada, y'all get a y'all get some gangster points, okay? Y'all get 3 gangster points because y'all made this. I'm proud of y'all. Even though y'all only got like 3 cents, we need y'all to crank them out. You feel me? But this is great. Y'all did good. I'm proud of y'all. Real aromatic, sweet, really good scent. I can also wear this during the day. This isn't just nighttime. This is during the day. Like this right here. Another fragrance she loved that she always kind of tell me, she'll be like, "Ooh, you smell like vanilla." That's what she keeps saying. Like, "Ooh, you smell like vanilla. Ooh, you smell like vanilla." That's all I hear when I put on this Mercedes-Benz Club Black. That's what she say all the time. And I'll be like, she really like that fragrance because I don't wear this thinking I'm gonna get compliments. I kind of use it because y'all tell me to use it. Y'all be like, Mercedes-Benz Club Black smells good. So when I'm just picking the fragrance to go to bed, I'll just grab it and be like, man, whatever. Spray. I'll go to bed. And when she land on me, even in the morning, she'll be like, you smell really good. I'll be like, is that right? So this has been doing me justice, y'all. I really like this fragrance as well. Another fragrance I get compliments with that I'm going to start wearing and that I do spray on periodically is this Spicebomb by Tom Ford. Okay, I always try to spray this fragrance on at least like 2 times a month. You know what I mean? It might be one of them type of occasions where I put on a fragrance earlier in the day, but once the nighttime come around and that fragrance wore off, I might go give it 2 sprays, mix it with something else maybe, because you know the bottle kind of small. I don't want to use it all, so I'm trying to be a little sparing with this bottle because I don't even want to give Tom Ford $200 more. I just dropped my controller. I'm blaming y'all because I can do that. All right. I remember I really never liked it. Azzaro Wanted by Night when I first got it, but for some reason I think I had let it sit on the shelf for a while and marinated, and for some reason I don't know if my nose is getting mature, but oh my god, I already sprayed it on my hand before the video. I'm just like, yeah, I just want to put this on. You know what I'm saying? It's like, because it's like a more citrusy, orangey, cinnamon, warm, spicy type fragrance. Like, you know, warm and spicy fragrances usually are like sweet. You know what I mean? We grab them really sweet. We get the concept when the dry down is like woody sweet. We like that. But for some reason, this fragrance opens up with like this orangey ginger cinnamon sweet. Like it's something about that 50-50 with the orange and the cinnamon that really just got me. And I just want to just start putting this on. So I will be wearing this as well. I hope y'all are wearing it too. I like that. Also, check this out. My favorite Spicebomb. I don't care. The original. Who with me, man? Can y'all go in the comments? Let me know, y'all. Like, is the original Spicebomb your favorite Spicebomb? And if it's not, let me know what's your favorite Spicebomb. I gotta tap in to see what y'all be thinking. But this right here, nice. Okay. See, when the Spicebomb stream came out, yeah, that smelled good and whatever, but I like the Initio's Rehab a little better than that. Okay, Initio Rehab had more like a creamy feel, and I feel like that's where I would love that scent to get took into. Like, especially if they was gonna make this into an extreme, I would love for y'all to add that creamy. So instead of me wearing Spicebomb Extreme, I'll just wear Initio Rehab. You feel me? But when it comes to just Spicebomb, this right here, really simple too. The original Spicebomb is like a spicy, sweet fragrance. Okay, remember, all these fragrances is sweet, so you're gonna hear me say sweet a lot. This is delicate. I just love the nuances. I just love the drawdown. I love how long it lasts. All these fragrances I'm mentioning last a long time. This as well. Okay, like this is what started it off, and they did a great job. Lastly but not least, this is a discontinued fragrance. Let me know if y'all got it in your collection, but this is 1 million absolute gold. Absolutely gold. Okay. Yeah, I love it. This is the longest lasting 1 million out of all of them. This lasts the longest. Okay. This smells like what 1 million elixir was probably supposed to smell like. See, when 1 million came out, I look at that like 1 million, okay? And then when 1 million intense came out, I look at the intense like 1 million eau de parfum. When this came out, I'm like, this gotta be like the elixir. This was so strong. This is stronger than 1 million parfum. So I think this is really the elixir. This is stronger than the elixir. Anyway, this is stronger than 1 million elixir. This is powerful. One thing I want to let y'all know, I got an idea for Paco. Y'all should come out with a Paco Rabanne 1 million eau de parfum. Hear me out. Just hear me out. You guys already have regular 1 million. Okay. You already have a parfum. You already have an elixir. All you guys are missing is a eau de parfum. Yeah, so it should be like 1 million eau de parfum. Y'all do that because y'all can. But I'll be interested in that, so I'm calling it. If they ever come out with an eau de parfum, y'all heard it first in this video. This right here is sexy, right? Paco Rabanne Absolute Gold, Azzaro Wanted by Night, Ebon Femme made by Tom Ford, Jada Titanium. We got Honor and Glory by Lattafa. We got Mercedes-Benz Club Black. And we have the original Spicebomb. Hey, all these fragrances together, let's do the math. We got like 50, 30, that's 80. You gotta find this for like 200, so it's like 280. You might find this for 100, let's say 380. You know what I mean? We can probably say like 490. You get the 50 ml. Oh yeah, you add Femme on there. Damn, that's gonna be like, let's just say 700, and then you add this, let's say, yeah, 775 ish. You know what I mean? All these fragrances right here, 75. You know what I mean? So if you got $775 just sitting around, go pick it up. Okay. I'm Big Boss. I hope y'all like this review. I love y'all so much. I'm out.